Bonjour, so today we're going to talk a little bit about time. So if you were to ask somebody in Potawatomi, what time is it? You would say, Nija etsa debuganek. Nija etsa debuganek. So we'll break this apart to have Nija etsa together. When you have Nija etsa together, it means how many. Now, depending on how Nija is used, it could be what, how, or why. So Nija etsa, how many. Debuganak describes a measurement. So in this scenario, we're using Nija etsa debuganak, how many measurements, as what time is it. So another way that you could use that is if you're measuring something with a tape measure. One person's got one end, you got the other one, you got the other end, and you ask them, Nija etsa debuganak, what's the measurement at? That is another way you could use that. But in this case, we're going to use it as what time is it? Nija etsa debuganek. Now to reply to that, a way that you could say is your number and then debuganak. Or you could say debuganam get, either way. Debuganak, it is at a measurement of. Debuganam get, same meaning. That get is optional. But in this case, we're going to use it is blank o'clock. So you can throw in your number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way through 12. Now, if you want to do that fully in Potawatomi, you're going to have your numbers 1 through 12. So, our word for 1 is ngot. Ngot, 1. So if I said ngot debuganak, it is 1 o'clock. Nish is 2. Nish debuganak, it is 2 o'clock. Nswa. Now, I'm going to put a star next to Nswa and Nyanin, because when you put them in front of debuganak, it's going to change a little bit. There's only 2 that's going to do it to. So if we want to say it is 3 o'clock, Nso debuganak. It is 3 o'clock. Now for 4, we have Niao. If you want to say it's 4 o'clock, Niao debuganak. Now remember, Nswa turned to Nso. Nyanin is going to change too. So 5 is Nyanin. Now if you change it to it is 5 o'clock, Nyano debuganak. It is 5 o'clock. There's only 2 it's going to happen to. Now you have number 6. 6 is ngotwatso. So for 6 o'clock, ngotwatso debuganak. 7 is no'uk. So 7 o'clock, no'uk debuganak. 8 is shwatso debuganak. It is 8 o'clock. Shwatso debuganak. 9 is shock debuganak. It is 9 o'clock. Shock debuganak. 10, ndatso. You might also hear ndatso. Ndatso, 10. Ndatso de bugana. It is 10 o'clock. Datso de bugana. Now when you get into 11, our word for 11 literally means 10 and 1. So you have datso and sich and go. So you have datso and you have go. Datso and sich and go. 11. Datso and sich and go. Now if you want to say at 11 o'clock, datso and sich and go de bugana. Datso and sich and go de bugana. And our word for 12 is 10, datso, and 2, niche. So 10 and 2, datso and sich niche. Datso and sich niche. Datso and sich niche de bugana. It is 12 o'clock. So we'll go through and we'll say these now. Nija etza de buganak. Nija etza de buganak. Nija etza de buganak. What time is it? Goat de bugana. Goat de bugana. Goat de bugana. It is 1 o'clock. Niche de bugana. Niche de bugana. Niche de bugana. It is 2 o'clock. Remember, swa is 3. Swa. Swa. And so de bugana. And so de bugana. And so de bugana. It is 3 o'clock. Niao. Niao de bugana. Niao de bugana. Niao de bugana. It is 4 o'clock. Nianin is 5. Nianin. Nianin changes to niano. Niano de bugana. Niano de bugana. Niano de bugana. It is 5 o'clock. Gowatso. Gowatso de bugana. Gowatso de bugana. Gowatso de bugana. It's 6 o'clock. Noak. Noak. Noak de bugana. Noak de bugana. Noak de bugana. It's 7 o'clock. Schwatzo. Schwatzo de bugana. Schwatzo de bugana. Schwatzo de bugana. It's 8 o'clock. Shock. 9. Shock. Shock de bugana. Shock de bugana. Shock de bugana. It is 9 o'clock. Datso. Datso de bugana. Datso de bugana. Datso de bugana. It's 10 o'clock. Datso and sich and go. Datso and sich and go de bugana. Datso and sich and go de bugana. Datso and sich and go de bugana. It's 11 o'clock. Datso and sich niche. Datso and sich niche de bugana. Datso and sich niche de bugana. Datso and sich niche de bugana. It is 12 o'clock. If you got any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll get back with you. Bamapi.